Y'all, you won't believe it. Meet the iRobot Roomba J7. This little genius literally cleans your home while you chill. Imagine dancing around while this robot takes care of the dirt. It's got PrecisionVision Navigation, fam. It dodges socks and shoes like a game of dodgeball. And get this, it learns your home like it's its own playground. Goodbye to the days of manual vacuuming. Hello, hands-free life. Just sit back and watch it do its thing, like magic. And it self-empties for like up to 60 days. No cap. Also, its smart recharge tech is on point. It knows when to power up. Pet owners, rejoice. The dual rubber brushes eliminate tangles. Get your iRobot Roomba J7 now, or miss out on this convenience.